Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by, and I'm thanking all my new subscribers as well, and also it's just been great fun being around YouTube and other crafters. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. It's always a pleasure coming back, you know, to make a video and upload it for you. Always a pleasure, love it. Now, when I started my YouTube channel, I was a bit dubious because I didn't know, you know, how it was going to pan out, but it really seems to be panning out pretty well. Really happy with the results so far, and that keeps me very much inspired and want to keep going. So thank you again. Now, this is just a very quick mini haul of some bits and pieces that I have bought. I was on a no spend for a month. It was last month. Even though I did that AliExpress haul, I had previously, the month before, had ordered those, and I was waiting for those to arrive. So I have had a no spend month, and it was hard but good. And sometimes you have to be really sensible, you know. It's just not all the time, even though I know that I love buying craft supplies and I would constantly buy, and I'm very fortunate as well because a lot of the family and friends buy me a lot of things. When they see them at a reasonable price, bargains and stuff, they always remember me and buy them and bring them for me. Now, quick haul. I had to nip out today. Had a good afternoon, so I was feeling in good spirits, so I thought I'd nip out for some fresh air, and I had one errand to try and do, and I did accomplish that. I certainly did, so I'm really happy with that. So while I was out, I managed to pick up some bits and pieces. Now, I picked up some washi tapes, and these ones are from Poundland. And there's 6 washi tapes in the packet, which are 15 meters each. It's not a lot, but it's a good amount, fair amount, you know. So I'm happy with that. So that's the we've got some love hearts. We've got some flowers. Oh, these are lovely. The roses here with the pink speckles on it, on a navy blue background. Polka dot. Oh, they're lovely. And these are red foiled, pink and white. Yep, so I got those. Those are great. I was happy with that. I also got these as well, which, and I really like these. Really. Again, 6 in a pack, and they're 50 meters each. So that's nice. Love that. I love buying craft supplies. And here's another one. This is the little princess. That's really nice. You've got the unicorn horse there. Really pretty. You've got the princess and the fairy and the little princess with the horse. Really nice. And the pink one with the crowns on it. So that's that. And that one, it's called Sparkle Washi Tape, this one. And another one, which I'm loving the pinks here. Really nice. The yellow's nice as well. It's got the ice cream and donut. Really nice. I can't quite make out what this one is at the bottom, but it's lovely. It is really nice. So these ones are the Poundland brand, as you can see. That's their brand. That's their brand. And this one is by Sparkle, I guess. I've not seen this company before. So that's that. And the Sparkle company, I might as well show you these. I picked these up. They're paper clips. And these ones are the quite big paper clips. Those ones are quite big. What size is that? That's about that's 2-inch paper clip, and they're really nice. Look at the melon, cactus, pineapple, the ice cream. Oh, the dough, it's so lovely. So I picked those up. Those were six in a pack, and again those were £1. I wonder if these are resin. I think they're rubbery. They're nice and spongy, nice to feel. So I got 2 packets of those. Couldn't resist them at all. And then I got this. That looks so pretty. Looks like a notepad. I'll quickly open it. And it includes a sheet full of stickers. So it's a notepad. Oh, I'm a sucker for stickers, I really am. Look, how lovely. Even this is nice. You can colour these in. This is lovely, this is. So we've got the stickers there with all the cupcakes. Lovely. There's animals on top. That looks like a snake, but it's not. Smiley face with icing. Yeah, so that's that. That's a notepad. I love notepads. And it's got a smiley face there. So I picked that up. The cover's really nice. You can't waste this once the pad is finished, once you've used the paper. I think I'm going to use some of this paper for my pen pal letters. I think I am. We've got the kiss smiley face and the big smile on the face. Yeah. So I think I'm going to use this for my pen pals, to write to my pen pals. Then I picked this up. I really thought I had this, but I don't. I've got the washi tape for that, the Let's Celebrate. And that's by Love to Craft, 6x6 paper pack. And it's got 8 designs, 24 sheets. Yeah, so I love that. So these are all the patterns. Really pretty. Not all of them you have to use for a celebration. They're just really pretty. Yeah. So you could just use those for pocket letters and so forth. So that's really nice. And then this is the Papillon range, which I've got a few things of these. These are mini bows. There's 20 in the packet here. Lilac and dark purple with the polka dots. And I love that. Yeah. And then we have more Papillon, the adhesive pearls. They're beautiful. Beautiful. I haven't had a chance to make anything for the past few days. I've just been so busy with other things. And this is by the Let's Celebrate Love to Craft. Look at those greens. They're beautiful greens. I love those. Yeah, love those. And we've got the Let's Celebrate 12 printed tags. Great. So lovely. Going for pocket letters. I can use these for my journal as well when I'm journaling. Really nice. So I love those. The stars, circles, the hearts, tags. These are really lovely. Yeah, really lovely. So that's that. And I received these in the post. I ordered some cupcake liners from AliExpress. The pink is so soft, baby pink. There's 200 here. So I'll be using these for the rosettes, to make some rosettes, and see if I can find some other things to make with them. So I got these from AliExpress. I'll leave the details below. And I also picked up these. Picked up these straws. They're lovely. The chevron, the stripes, really lovely. The pinks are really nice. I've got those, and I've got the gold ones as well. And I picked up 2 of those as well. So I'm really can't wait to start crafting with those. Good quality as well. Yeah, quality is really good. So I can't wait to start crafting with those. And that's it. That's my mini haul, all done and dusted. Can't wait to start doing some projects with those bits and pieces. So I won't be making any videos next week because I'm going to be really busy. That's why I thought I'd quickly come on and do my quick haul, and to pat myself on the back for nipping out and getting that errand done, all on my lonesome. So I need to treat myself for that. So no videos next week. I'm really hoping and trying that maybe I can do one Sunday or Monday the latest. Not promising, but I'll be away from the camera, the video, for a week Monday. So I'll see you when I get back. Take care, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel so when I upload videos you'll be notified. Thanks. Bye now.